wala ka nang hanapin pa, basta PDL lang nag-release guys, napakaganda ng kanta. Sa mga hindi pa updated, bisitahin nyo ang channel nila guys, nag-release lang ng kantang napakaganda. Ang title ng kanta ay In Love by Skusta Clee and Leslie. At sa panibagong video ito guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-play ang kantang to. 3 chords lang ang ating gagamitin at linagyan ko ng kapirasong kulay ang mga strumming pattern na gagamitin natin sa buong kanta. Simulan natin ulit ang tutorial na ito sa chords, then strumming pattern, then sundan niyo ako sa pag-play ng buong kanta. Simulan natin sa chords. Ito ang mga chords na gagamitin natin guys para ma-play ang buong kanta. Ang unang chord na gagamitin natin ay isang simpleng A chord. Okay? Love, ang hirap. Isang simpleng A. Okay? Love. Then, ang ikalawang chord ay C sharp minor guys. Okay, C sharp minor. So, dito ang index finger, dito ang bass note. Sa ika-4 na fret, 5th string, dito ang bass. Then, para ganito ang forma ng index finger. Tapos, dito ang 1st string. Okay? Yan. Dapat tumunog tong dalawang to, bass at saka tong 1st string. Sa 4th fret. Then, dito ang ring. Ring. Then, pinky. Then, middle. Dito. 5th fret. 2nd string. Okay? A. Ang unang chord. Then, ikalawang chord na gagamitin ay C sharp minor. Love, ang hirap. Then, ang last chord naman ay ito. Isang G sharp minor. Okay, sa ika-4 na fret, dito ang index finger. Okay, dito. Nakabar siya. Then, dito ang ring at saka pinky. 5th at 4th. Okay? C sharp minor. Then, dito index, dito ring, then pinky. Okay? Love, ang hirap, ma-in-love. Gets? A, C sharp minor, and G sharp minor. Okay? So, sa mga gustong pasimplehin ang pag-play ng mga chord na to, ganun pa rin, simpleng A. Then, para padali ng C sharp minor, pwedeng itong tatlo na lang guys, tatlong bass note, then open ang 1st and 2nd string. Okay? Ito ang bass, then dito itong tatlo na lang, then open ang 1st and 2nd string. Okay? Open dito 1, 2, 3. Okay? Love, ang hirap. Okay? Then ang 3rd chord ay ito, para pasimplin ang G minor, G sharp minor. Ito ang bass, then open pa rin ang 1st and 2nd string. Tapos dito ang ring at saka middle, 4th and 3rd string. Then muted to guys. Sa mga di kaya ang ganitong chord, nahihirapan, pwedeng itong tatlo na lang, mute. Naka-mute ang ito, huwag nyo lang patunugin. Okay? A, ang open ang 1st 2nd string, tatlo lang. Ang hirap, ma-in-love. Ang hirap. Okay? So mga sanay na, ganito na lang gamitin nyo. Love, ang hirap, ma-in-love. Okay? Yan na lahat ng chords. Proceed tayo sa strumming pattern. Dito naman sa strumming pattern guys, sinabayan ko ang bawat beat, tapos linagyan ko ng konting kulay. So hinati ko sa dalawang parte. Ito ang unang parte, ipakita ko muna guys. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay? Para to sa verses at pre-chorus. Down, 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 up. Okay? Down, 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 up. Ang poproblemahin nyo lang ay pag-change ng chord. Okay? Down, 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 up. Okay? Down, 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 up. Down, down, down. Okay? Down, up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay? Then sa pre-chorus, ganun pa rin, pero ang pag-play hindi na pa stop. Ganito, ipakita ko. Down, 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 up. kanina sa verse, sa mga verses, down, 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 turn up, down, 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 turn up, down. Sa pre-chorus, down, 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 turn up, down. Okay, down, 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 turn up, down, 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 down. Okay, gets? Then para naman sa chorus guys, ito. Mailap, mahirap, mahirap, mailap. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay. Ilap, ang hirap, mahirap, mailap. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Hirap, mahirap, mailap. Sundan nyo lang ako sa pag-play ng buong kanta mamaya pagkatapos ito guys. Down, up, down, up, down. Hirap, mahirap, mailap. Okay, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down. Mailap. Okay, so yan na lahat guys. Sundan nyo ako. I-play natin ang buong kanta.